So this is the Tough to Be a Bug Fast Pass section. So right up there's the Tree of Life. And past those trees and shrubs and bushes is the Adventurous Outpost where you can meet Minnie and Mickey. They used to have that Camp Minnie and Mickey, but then Pandora replaced Camp Minnie and Mickey, including Festival of the Lion King. But the good news is Festival of the Lion King is now at Harambe. So we're about to go inside the Tree of the Life, Tree of Life. That is, you can see way far down there is the Up Show, Up a Great Bird Adventure.
Oh, excuse me, I'm sorry.
This is the rest of the queue, and it looks like we're about ready to get inside. So the Fast Pass has to stay to the right, and the Standby has to stay to the left. There's the waterfalls again. And that's all for the Fast Pass queue now.